If your passive income only makes a few $100 a month, it's time to level up. In this video, I'll show you the best investments for real cash flow, including the one strategy that changed my life. All right, let's talk about one of the most powerful and future-proof income opportunities out there right now: residential assisted living. This is all about turning a regular single-family house into a cozy, licensed care home for seniors, instead of those huge impersonal nursing homes. RAL homes usually have around 6 to 16 residents, and they actually feel like a real home, which people love. And the numbers, they're kind of wild. Residents typically pay anywhere from $5,500 to $9,000 a month. So if you've got 10 people in a home, that's $55,000 to $90,000 coming in every single month. After expenses, things like staff, licensing, and overhead, it's not unusual to clear $10,000 to $20,000 in net profit every single month. Sure, it does take some work to get things going. You've got to find the right property, you've got to renovate it, get it licensed, and build a solid team. But once it's all set up and you've got a great manager running the show, you can actually take a step back. Your job becomes high level, checking reports, chatting with your manager, and letting the business do its thing. This is what we show people how to do, because most of this industry is not run this way. In the residential assisted living space, about 80% of the homes are run mom and pop. Someone lives in the home, someone works in the home, and they've built themselves a job. But that's not ideal. You see, what's important for you is to know that this is not a passive industry, but this can be a passive business for you, the owner. Someone is doing the work, but it's not the owner if it's set up correctly. Does that make sense? With 10,000 baby boomers hitting retirement age every single day, this kind of care is only going to be more and more in demand. It's not just a smart financial play, it's also doing something that really matters. Ready to go deeper? I'm giving away access to a full residential assisted living bootcamp for free. Click the video here and start building passive income the smart way. Now listen, if RAL sounds like a big leap, no worries. There are potentially simpler ways to get into passive income. One of the most underrated, well, it's vending machines. And no, we're not talking about the clunky old soda machines from the 90s. Today's machines are sleek, modern, and super smart. They take credit cards and send you real-time inventory updates and let you know when they need to be restocked. You can get started with one for somewhere between $2,000 and $10,000, depending on the features that you'd like. And if you find a solid location, like a gym or school or office building or even apartment complex, you could pull in $100 to $500 per month per machine. Yes, you'll need to refill snacks and handle a little maintenance here and there, but if you're only managing a few machines, it might take a couple hours a week. And as you grow, you can always hire someone to help. It's a great low-risk way to learn the ropes of entrepreneurship without diving into the deep end. It doesn't give you a huge emotional paycheck. You're not changing the world, providing game-changing solutions, or getting heartfelt gratitude from your clients, but it's some small income, and that can be nice. Then there's parking. Hands down, one of the most overlooked passive income streams out there. Got a driveway, a garage, or even a slab of concrete near a busy area? You can rent it out using apps like Spacer, Just Park, or Neighbor. Just list the space, make sure it's accessible, and boom, you're in business. Depending on where you are, one spot can earn you anywhere from $50 to over $500 a month. And if you've got access to multiple spots, that adds up fast. It's all about location. If you are in the wrong place, no one wants your space. So this method works well for people who own large lots of land in hot spots, downtown or near stadiums. And at the end of the day, you don't have inventory and hopefully very little customer service headaches. Besides the random homeless in the area breaking into everyone's cars, maybe people getting injured on your lot or abandoned vehicles. Other than that, it's passive cash rolling in from an empty space that you weren't even using. But it could be something, okay? There's no heart paycheck, and it's a decent side hustle for your wallet paycheck. a little bit of drama, but it could be passive if it's in the right area. At the end of the day, building real passive income is about getting the right mix of time, money, and systems. If you're up for a high impact, high reward business, RAL is incredible. Do you want to be known for providing solutions, being a game changer in your community, or building something that your family or maybe yourself one day will really need? RAL is the way to go. Want something low cost and beginner friendly? Vending machines are perfect. Or if you're sitting on a large land lot in a hotspot and looking for something lowish maintenance, parking could be your move. Whatever you choose, the goal is the same. Create income streams that give you more freedom, not more work. Because when it comes to passive income, the dream is simple. Your money should be doing the heavy lifting so you don't have to.